Okay, so maybe I overdid it a little bit on the intro, but these stock taillights have got to go. I don't think they add very much character to this car. They just kind of have a generic, kind of bland design to them. So in this video, we're gonna be swapping out these stock taillights for some aftermarket taillights, and hopefully that's gonna give the car a lot more personality and give it a more aggressive look, which I think it really needs. As I'm sure you guys are already aware, it's really easy to change out your taillights on this car. All you need is a socket with a 10mm and a flathead screwdriver. We should be able to pop these babies out. So I got the trunk liner and the carpet and the foam and all that crap ripped out of the WRX. Now we've got a lot more room to work back here. As you can see, here are the tail lights, and there's actually 3 8mm nuts holding it in place. I was wrong earlier when I said they were 10s. Whoopsie, but I'll go ahead and get those nuts removed and we can pull the stock tail lights out of the car, and then I'll show you guys what I've got planned. I installed the OLM CR tail lights on the WRX, and I'm already loving the way that the car looks. They've got a very unique design to them. Kevin told me that they look like chattering teeth, and once you see that, you can't unsee it. So I'm sorry for those of you who own these tail lights too, but I'm gonna get these plugged in and then I'll show you guys the new sequential turn signals. So here's another taillight option that I want your guys' feedback on. These are the SubiSpeed JDM style taillights in the smoked red lens. I actually really like the design of these too. I'm not sure which one I want to end up installing on the car permanently. So why don't I go ahead and put these in the car, and then we can see what they look like once they're installed. Dang, I was not expecting to like those JDM style taillights so much on the WRX. And now I'm feeling really torn because I don't know if I should leave the spec CRs in the car or if we should go with the JDM style taillights. And just to make things that much harder, I do still have another option for us to choose from. Some of you guys might recognize these taillights. These are the OG SubiSpeed taillights, AKA the TRs. And of course, these are also red, but I really like the design of these. Obviously, they're a little bit different than the other two options. You can see more of the LEDs. It's more of an exposed LED look. So why don't I put these in the car and we can check them out. right, the OLM SPEC'Cr taillights are back in the WRX, and I think they look fantastic. But I have been staring at taillights all night, so who knows, maybe my opinion's a little bit off right now. I'd love to hear what you guys think about all the different lights I test fit in the car tonight. Let me know in the comments section down below which one is your favorite. If you guys enjoy this WRX content, also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because it really does help me out a lot, and I know that like 80% of you guys aren't subscribed at the moment. So give me a like, hit that subscribe and that bell. It really does make a huge difference for me. And with all that being said, see you guys in the next video.